Have you ever dreamed of working from anywhere in the world? Whether it's your home, a cafe, or even a tropical beach? Today, I'm sharing 10 amazing remote job sites that connect you to opportunities worldwide. Stay with me to the end to find the perfect site for your remote work journey. Remote work has truly transformed how we approach our careers, allowing us to break free from the traditional office. These platforms will help you find remote jobs across industries like tech, design, customer service, and so much more. Let's dive in. First up, we work remotely. This platform offers one of the largest collections of remote jobs in tech, marketing, and customer support. It's easy to use and trusted by top companies hiring worldwide. Next, FlexJobs. Known for its hand-screened, high-quality job listings, FlexJobs is perfect for professionals seeking remote roles in writing, education, and project management. Third, Remote.co. This platform provides remote jobs across various industries, including education, tech, and healthcare. It also offers helpful resources to guide you on your journey to a successful remote career. Are you an elite freelancer? Toptal connects top-tier developers, designers, and finance experts with premium clients around the globe. The competition is tough, but the opportunities absolutely rewarding. For long-term remote work, check out Outsourcely. It connects employers with remote workers in fields like writing, customer service, and web design, offering both stability and flexibility. Next is AngelList, a treasure trove for startup enthusiasts. Find remote jobs in tech, marketing, and business development while working with some of the most innovative startups out there. Then there's Jobspresso, a user-friendly platform with regularly updated remote job listings in tech, writing, and customer support. It's perfect for job seekers from all over the world. Don't miss Hubstaff Talent. This free platform connects you directly with businesses seeking remote professionals. And the best part? No middleman involved. Upwork is one of the largest freelancing platforms globally. It offers remote opportunities in graphic design, programming, writing, and more. While it's competitive, the variety of projects makes it a top choice for freelancers. Finally, PeoplePerHour. This platform specializes in freelance gigs, especially for creatives like designers, writers, and programmers. It's a fantastic way to showcase your skills and earn remotely. Now remember this: remote work requires strong communication skills, excellent time management, and the ability to adapt. These platforms are tools to help you find your dream job, but ultimately, it's your dedication and skills that will set you apart. So, which of these sites caught your attention? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources to grow your career. Your remote career is just a click away. Start exploring these platforms today. And good luck!